The Rapid Ramp Step Unit combines hundreds of off-the-shelf components to suit any application. Standardization makes it rapid to design, specify and install. Our standard step tread is 300 mm deep. This meets the building regulations for both residential and commercial applications. The step treads are stocked in various widths to suit different applications and building regulations, from 900 mm for residential usage up to 1500 mm for commercial usage. Any two platform widths can be bolted together if a wider platform is required. The metal mesh surface comes as standard on our step units. Testing has shown this platform surface exceeds the minimum British standards for slip resistance by 268%. Also, it is self-draining to allow water to pass through rather than puddle on the surface and potentially freeze. There are different step handrails available to suit the number of steps required. The step heights have adjustment within the step stringers, leg heights and adjustable feet. There are two different handrail types. The standard rail is 900 mm high and features a mid-rail. This is suitable for residential usage. The infill rail features vertical bars to prevent the passing of a 100 mm sphere. This is suitable for all commercial usage. All rails have a 100 mm high curb that is visually contrasting to the platform. All rails are made from high-grade mild steel, galvanized for rust protection. Finally, they are coated with a thermosetting powder to provide a non-conductive, non-slip and scratch-resistant surface. Where the handrail terminates, we add looped ends to prevent clothes from snagging. Yellow step nosings can be added to help those with impaired vision identify a change in level. Adjustable connectors are used to make the transition between step and platform handrails fully continuous. The Rapid Ramp Step units can be configured to suit almost any requirement. Speak to our experts for product information or advice on the correct specification required to pass building control.